Well, here we are, folks. I'm hunting a school today. It's spring break, so there ain't no kiddos around. Popped my first plug, and I got me a 1999 dime. Supposedly there was some Civil War activity here, I heard from a friend, but there's obviously some filler dirt here because there's some gravel and stuff mixed in with dirt. So I'm gonna try to move to the back of the school property, maybe into that tree line a little bit, back behind those soccer fields, and see what happens. There's power lines over there like crazy though, so see how that affects the Garrett AT Max. All right, well, if we find something else, I'll let you know. See you. All right, I know your target is supposed to be in the middle of your plug, but this one is off to the side a little bit there, but it's sticking out in such an interesting way, I thought it'd be fun to pull it. So, live, of course. All right. Looks like it was hitting about 80. It's like a dime. Oop, sorry. Yeah, it's a dime. It's definitely clad. And it's upside down. Well, I drifted off in the woods here a little bit from the field, and all I can tell you about this dig really is that it's a nickel. I can't see a date right now, but you'll be able to see one in just a second. All right, let's go to the next one. Move back out to the edge of this park. Well, school park, whatever you want to call it. And dug me another hole, and it's just a clad dime, but it is 1967. So that's pretty close to silver. So who knows, maybe we'll grab one before we leave. Be a good build-up if we do. See y'all. My penny was hitting pretty good. Make sure there wasn't another one close by. Oh, it's a, let's see, 93, so nothing special. It's a nice one though. All right, let's get that out of the way, check the hole real quick, and I'll turn this off. I'm on. That's it for now. All right, see y'all. Probably clad, but let's check it out. Looks like a quarter to me. I'll show you a picture of it in just a second. All right, see it. Somebody used to like to carry dimes around this park quite a lot because I sure keep finding a bunch of them. This one's 2003. Got about 20 more minutes to find my big silver first coin ever. Will it happen? Dun dun dun. Stay tuned. Back over here at this construction site today, digging some holes, and finally got me an interesting find. Found a couple horseshoes earlier. They were pretty nice. Other than that, I just popped me a little spoon out of here. It was hitting around 50 or 60, so I'm sure it's not silver, but it looks old. I'll clean it up and show you all a picture of it in a little bit. It does have some fancy on the handle. Some fancy's always cool. Alright guys, we'll see if I find something else. It's been slow going today though. See ya. Well, still hanging out in my little construction area here. I had to work really hard for this one. What a freaking mess. Of course, I filled my holes though. But I found me a button. It's definitely old, but I don't know that it's Civil War related. Shank's missing off the back again. But it just kind of looks decorative. So we'll get it cleaned up. Alright guys, hopefully I can find one more thing before I gotta go. See you. Alright, so I'm out here hunting some land that my stepmother, Mama T, owns. Dug me a nice deep little hole here. Found me something green staring back, so thought we would see what we got. Let's see what the first coin is that comes up out of here. Ooh, wow, it's thin. Ooh, that is thin. Wow, look how green that is. That's a flat button, huh? Look at that. I knew there was Civil War activity close to here, but I didn't know that there was some right here in the field, but it appears there is. We'll get that cleaned up. That is fun. Man, that thing's green. Cool. All right, see if we find something else. See y'all. Yeah, moved over a few steps, dug me another nice little hole. Got the poking around, and right in here wedged in is a little round ball of some type. It's got some white color to it. It doesn't look like a fishing weight. Maybe a little pistol ball? I don't know. I'm certainly not a pro, but I like it. It's definitely lead and heavy. Or a big shotgun ball. I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. See ya.